Hi everyone, this is Priya Shadas from CrackZat, and as you read in the thumbnail already, if quants is something which is troubling you from a really long time and you need some solution, serious one for it, then here's a video only for the serious aspirants. Now, the reason why I'm calling this solution as a shameless funda is because many people think that, oh my god, this is so childish. But this has not only helped me, but helped so many other mentees of mine, and I'm very confident about this thing that if someone really truly does this process, he and she can see their results coming in just 1 and 2 weeks. So let's get the video started. The very first thing I want all of you to do, if you are someone whose quant section is not that so strong, or it's something which is troubling you people, then start with looking at the examples. Now, when I say that you have to look at the example, many people think that only looking at the solution is the key, but definitely not. That's not the thing. The entire story lies after it. So think of a test which you have given, either a sectional topic test or a mock, in which a question went wrong and you saw its solution. आपने बस solution को ऊपर से पढ़ा, देखा that to convert the speed into meter per second, you have to multiply that with 5 by 18 and then divide that converted speed by the time, or let's say the distance, and get the time. But ये आपने बस ऊपर ऊपर से देख लिया and you just looked at the numbers and saw that, oh, it's so easy to divide 180 by 18, it's lux 10. क्या ही फर्क पड़ता है? But बहुत फर्क पड़ता है. Now I'll tell you how this shameless funda is gonna help you. You saw the solution of the question, okay? So आपने example का solution देखा, point number 1. After that, you took a pen and paper and sat down to do the calculation by your own hand. Now this is the second reason why I call this funda shameless, because बहुत लारे लोग अपने ईगो में इस बात को ले लेते हैं कि मैम 180 किलोमीटर्स पर आवर दिया है, अगर मुझे इसे मीटर पर सेकंड में कन्वर्ट करना है, देन आई जस्ट हैव टू डिवाइड इट बाय 18 एंड मल्टीप्लाई इट बाय 5. ये तो मैं अपनी आंखों से कर सकता हूँ. इट्स जस्ट लाइक 10. अगर मैंने इसे काट दिया तो, एंड इट्स जस्ट 10 into 5, 50. मैम इसे लिखना क्यों है? यही ईगो आपको क्वांट्स में हमेशा नीचे रख रही है. Please hear this very clearly. The only reason why you're not able to improve your score in quants because of this thing. Of course, you should do mental maths, but not at the cost of getting feared by the numbers or losing interest in the numbers. So therefore, my serious suggestion to all of you, follow point number 2, which is scribble as easy as possible numbers in your scribble pad and do the calculation by your own. तो आपने कैलकुलेशन सोल्यूशन देखा, कैलकुलेशन का प्रोसेस देखा, अपने अपने नोटबुक में उस कैलकुलेशन को किया, even if it's very easy, just like the one example I showed you. And the second step would be that आप distance को divide कर दोगे, so distance divided by your new speed. So therefore distance अगर हम ले लेते हैं 100 meters, so अगर मैंने इसको 50 से divide कर दिया तो 2 सेकंड में मैं पहुंच जाऊंगी. This simple thing which could have been done orally just in a matter of 15-20 seconds needs to be done on the piece of paper, and even if it's take 1 minute. This is going to help you in two ways. Way number 1, if you're a serious aspirant who is really practicing a lot of questions every day, then it's very difficult for your mind to retain all this information, and the most important thing is that your mind will not be able to reproduce this information when you need it. That is the examination hall. एंड सेकेंड मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट रीजन, अगर आप इस तरह की कैलकुलेशंस खुद करते हो तो सिर्फ आपको रिटेन करने में हेल्प नहीं करेगा, बट प्राइमरीली इट विल टेक अवे योर फियर ऑफ नंबर्स. आप जानते हो 80 to 90% लोग जिनकी क्वांट्स अच्छी नहीं होती है, इज द रीजन बिहाइंड दिस इज दे आइदर डोंट नो द फैक्ट और दे जस्ट डोंट वांट टू एडमिट द फैक्ट दैट उन्हें एक्चुअली क्वेश्चंस करने का ही मन नहीं होता. They just don't feel like doing the questions at all. They just feel like, अरे यार ये तो मैं मेंटली कर लूंगा, अरे यार रहने दो, इतना कैलकुलेशन कौन करेगा, मुझे बस करने का ही मन नहीं कर रहा, मैम पेन ही नहीं उठ रहा. ये सारी चीजें are depicting just one thing, that you just don't want to scribble numbers. But if you do this trick for at least 50 questions, I can guarantee and vouch on that आपके हाथ automatically छोटे छोटे calculations के लिए चलने लगेगा. And when you start doing things for छोटे छोटे calculations also on piece of paper, then बड़े बड़े calculations के लिए भी आप पीछे नहीं हटोगे. You will not feel like skipping the question at all. And I want you people to develop this aptitude only, कि आपको question दिखे तो मिडवे ही सही, लेकिन आप सॉल्व कर पाओ, ताकि एटलीस्ट इफ यू टिक अ आंसर एंड कम, द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग दैट करेक्ट इन द एग्जाम विल बी मच मोर देन तुक्का मारकर टिक मारना, है ना. So make sure that you do this technique. And therefore, one and final thing, वीकली रिविजन्स आर वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. अगर आपने मेरी 30 डेज की या 100 डेज की प्लानर देखी होगी, तो you must have seen that I have dedicated Saturdays for weekly revisions. Whatever you learned throughout the 5-6 days of your week needs to be revised very thoroughly in one of the days of your week. So make sure आपने जो भी पढ़ा क्वांट्स में, आप उसका एक बढ़िया सा रिविजन कर लो, अपने नोट्स चेक कर लो, जो जो क्वेश्चंस आपने ऑलरेडी बना लिए हैं उसे फिर से एक बार बस देख आओ. और देखते वक्त अगर लगे कि आपका हाथ नहीं चल रहा किसी क्वेश्चन में, तो उसको थोड़े और 2 मिनट दे दो. But this is going to definitely help you in improving your scores in quant. Trust me guys, I call this shameless because I know when I tell you to see the solution, कोई भी आपको बोलेगा कि इस तरह से solution देख लेने से किसी का maths नहीं बनता, but solution देखकर उस पे काम करने से बनता है. And अगर आप ये 2:1 rule follow करो, that you watch the solution for 2 questions and do one question on your own, पहले 1 बार, 2 बार, 10 बार, 11 बार, हो सकता है आपके क्वेश्चंस ना बने, but at the 12th time you will definitely see the solution coming, and the improvements are definitely going to come up in the next 1 or 2 weeks. So guys, now no more excuses. Whatever was there in the past, let it be. Now is the time, after watching this video, you're gonna promise me in the comment section that आप इस प्रोसेस को यूज करके अपने क्वांट्स को मच 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 बेटर बनाओगे. I'm always there for you people, always there to help and guide you. Make sure you drop me any comment if you have any questions, or DM me on Instagram. The links have been added in the description box, guys. Apart from this, if there's anything else, do let me know. And yes, I'm always there for you people. All the very best. Study hard. ये कुछ दिन आपकी लाइफ को completely transform कर देने वाले हैं. All the very best guys. Thank you so much for watching this. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to my channel if you haven't done that yet, and please do share guys. आपके share करने से channel की growth हो रही है, which is definitely helping me. Thank you so much. Take care. Bye bye.